Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my channel, where I pass on riding tips, practice drills, and defensive riding strategies. Now, I'm a rider coach, a motorcycle sergeant, and owner and instructor at ProRider Central Texas, where we teach police riding skills to civilian riders. In the beginning of the year, I challenge every rider to take at least one course this year to improve your skills. Now, I want to give a shout out to Merlo Powell, who took me up on the ProRider Central Texas Challenge for 2022. Now, if you missed that video, be sure to go check it out at the end of this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Now, Merlo took the ProRider Fitness course. He also participated in the Conehead, Arizona practice day, and he plans on competing in the Iron Horse Shootout in Amarillo, Texas in August. Now, the last time he's taken a course was about 3 years ago. Now, let's take a look at the video that he sent in. Now, he's going to be riding a 2015 Harley Ultra Limited Low. So let's check him out. Now, I want to thank you for sending in your video, and I want to thank you for being a part of the ProRider Challenge and improving your skills. Now, you're looking really good, so keep up the work. Now, if you want to learn more about the ProRider Central Texas Challenge, be sure to check out this video right here. And until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.